possible at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blatford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Dale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. Now here is the forecast.
Whoa! I didn't know there was going to be a required work week test this morning. I didn't know.
In the lower 40s. Northwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour.
Hey folks, this is Bradley. Guess what? We just had a required weekly test from the NOAA Weather Radio from the Northern Indiana National Weather Service for this morning. Maybe they had it today because of the weather probably for yesterday was probably what caused the postpone of the test. That probably might be the reason why. Yeah, because of all that severe weather that we had for yesterday. Yep, so that's probably we had a required weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio from the Northern Indiana National Weather Service for the Northern Indiana County Warning Area. Yep. So, folks, I hope you're really enjoying this test. Hope you're enjoying it, okay? Alright. I'll see if I get this test again, if it does again, alright? Alright. Stay tuned for more weather radio tests, okay? Alright, I'll be right back. Stay tuned for more. Alright, thank you. Oh, and today is Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Alright. Have a good day. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.